This is a 2007 Chrysler 300. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Landers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2082 West Poplar Avenue in Collierville.